Hello, everyone over there at SimpleTank. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital, and I was looking at your post on Upwork here, and found it pretty interesting because it says that you were doing pretty good, but then you dropped. And instead of writing a long application or cover letter, I thought I'd just shoot this quick video. And first of all, I took a look at your website. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a publicly available tool, monthly payment. I believe there's a 7-day free week trial, but it's as simple as just putting the website in here. And I was looking at it over 1 year, and I can see what you're talking about because your organic traffic it was spiking. I guess you could say on average you had about I'd say, I don't know, 70 something, close to 80, 70 something per month, and then suddenly here in December it just dropped, and it's been low ever since. So I'm not sure if that matches what you've been seeing on your end, but I figured I'd rather see this. And just, I know you're concerned about your SEO people and what they've done. You can take a look at your referring domains. For one thing, I can say is that they did a pretty good job. You have pretty healthy backlinks. However, what I'll do is quickly disavow the very weak backlinks, the ones that are less than 15 in domain rating in DR. So anything, let's see, let's go down to, you have quite a number of really good ones, and then this starts dropping quality after Al Hawaii News, and it's pretty simple. You just have to put this list of domains that you do not want, and upload them into Google's disavow link tool. If you Google just how to disavow links to your site, instructions, I mean, just as soon as you have all your links in one file, in a text file, come to this site here, search.google.com, search console, disavow links, and then upload that file, and that's it. So you can actually get rid of all the, I would say 15 and below, all these domains. I'd get rid of them, I'd disavow them, so that you're left with just very strong domains, and then continue your monthly link building, your monthly SEO. Let me give you a couple of tips as I was looking at your website. I'm going to talk about three things. I'm going to talk about citations, content, and backlinks. Actually, in order: content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. Now, to optimize with content, it's advisable to have about, with Google, to optimize with Google, advisable to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. And by that, I mean text that shows exactly who you are, exactly what you do, the locations you service. I believe in your here you said you service about 12 locations. Yeah, 12 counties in New Jersey. Now, from your website, I couldn't even tell that you guys are in New Jersey until I came all the way down here, and I have no idea. I know what your services are, but it's important to show on your homepage all your services, locations, and then include keywords. Now, keywords are those words that Google uses that users type into Google to search for your services. For example, if I wanted soil remediation or soil testing, I'd say soil testing near me, or soil testing New Jersey, soil testing, what city is this? Plainfield, New Jersey, etc. It's important to have those keywords because those are the kind of keywords people are typing into Google, and you want to show up for those results. I can tell what keywords that Google is currently catching you from with this tool again. 38 keywords, and just 1 second, let it load up. Okay, so you can see oil tank removal, New Jersey. These are the keywords on your site, which are good keywords. Now, I'd focus SEO to get higher. Right now, your position is 41 for this really money keyword. 250 people look for that every month. I'd definitely apply different SEO techniques so that you grab this traffic coming to your site. Another thing I wanted to talk about was citations. Now, when someone types in something like, let's go to that, oil tank removal, New Jersey into Google, the first thing that pops up are Google ads at first, sponsored, and then the map pack. Now, it's really, oh, you're already up top here. This is really good. You're already top of the map pack. I think you mentioned that. So you should be top of the map pack for different searches. For different searches like soil, let's say soil testing, Plainsfield. So you want to be at the top here. Oh, you are here again. That's awesome. I'd look at the wherever you're lacking, whatever services that you're not up here. Definitely, and in general, it helps to get citations. A citation is where your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. Directories like Better Business Bureau, Networks, eLocal, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. The higher and higher, the better in relevancy and the higher in number of citations that you have, the more you'll rank up here. And I think you're doing a good job so far. But I'd definitely get, probably even 300 more citations just to stay on top of your competition. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And we talked a little bit about them, but I'll definitely disavow these backlinks. And then just as an explainer, a backlink is when a different website links to you. So for example, all these websites here are linking to you. So the higher in strength in domain rating and the higher in relevancy as well, the better it is for you, and Google starts to put you in front of these kind of searches because it trusts your site because of its backlink structure. Thank you very much. I hope you've taken a few tips from what I've said. I'm not sure if your old SEO agency explained all of these things to you, but I'll definitely add more content here. Work on your citations and your backlink, your monthly backlink. Again, my name is Charles, and I just feel free to use these tips if you would like to work together. I am with Wadi Digital, and it would be a pleasure. Thank you very much.